Apply has support for iOS, Android, and iPad applications. Once you've downloaded the iOS application and Android application, you have the ability of adding a number of different widgets that your technicians can take advantage of. To do so, you can click on the home screen, type in Apply, and we provide you two different kinds of widgets that enable easy access to Apply. If you're a technician, when you click the fast scan, it will immediately initialize the camera, and you'll have the ability to immediately go into the Apply application and scan an item. The Apply mobile application is complete parity with the web application. We provide you access to manage your requests and your stock. In this video, we're going to go over a stock overview so you can see the functionality that allows you to manage your entire warehouses and trucks, scan items, add a new item, and make a request directly from your mobile application. On the stock location screen, you'll be able to see an overview of your most popular warehouses, the top materials, and a list of all of your warehouses as well. The next tab will show you the number of trucks that you have out in the field so that you can easily drill in and see the materials that are on each truck. You'll be able to manage your draft RFQs so you can see your technicians' requests that are coming from the field, jobs that are out in the field, the activity, and manage your entire catalog. On the Warehouses tab, we can see the warehouses that are in our organization. And when we click on one, we'll have a mobile view of all of the items that exist inside of that warehouse. You'll be able to see a list of those items below, perform a search on those items, look at any replenishment requests, analytics, and the activity stream of all of your warehouses and the movement of materials. To scan an item that is already in your catalog, we're going to go ahead and click Scan, hover over a barcode, and if the item exists within our database, you'll be able to see the item be found, and we can take a number of actions from this screen. The first action is we can update the quantity. This function allows you to edit the quantity as materials are being restocked, if there's a clean out, or a supplier or distributor has made a delivery of items. The other action that we can take is transferring materials. If you're a warehouse manager or an admin of Apply, you'll be able to have access to all the different locations and all of the jobs that are active that are linked with your field service management software like House Call Pro and Service Type. If you're a technician, you'll have access to the jobs that are specifically assigned to you. We can update this and confirm the transfer. Additionally, if we're in the warehouse and we need to make changes to this item, we can edit the item in its details. We'll be able to see a list of all of the locations where this item exists, the jobs that it's been allocated to. We can make a material request if we need to replenish. We can view the different variants that this material has or add a new one. We can view the activities specifically for this and the purchase history for all of the items that we've purchased and what supplier. Additionally, we can edit any details about this item as well. So if you've made a mistake or you want to add additional category information, you'll be able to do so. Apply Quick Actions allows you to scan materials instantly and find those items. If you want to barcode an item within Apply, in the upper right-hand corner, you'll be able to see a printing icon where we can print off and modify a label. Apply has partnered with Brother Mobile Solutions to bring you mobile printing out in the field so that you can be in a warehouse or a truck and automatically print off a label when you need one. You'll be able to edit information like the number, the type of barcode, the number of copies, the content and the layout, any custom notes, and connect directly to your printer. As you're taking inventory of your items inside of Apply, you'll be able to easily add them from the mobile application. If it's a new item with a brand new SKU that's not in your database, you'll be able to hover over a manufacturer or pre-printed or Apply printed barcode, and it will show up that the item does not exist. If you feel that was an error, you can do a scan again. However, if you want to add a new item, you click the Add New Item. You can choose an image or take a photo. Add a material name. If the item exists within our database, we're going to be able to show you items that are similar that will pre-fill all of the information below. If the item exists in your database, you'll be able to select the item and then it will pin the barcode directly to the item that already exists. You'll be able to fill in information like the material description, the item name, the materials tag, the brand, manufacturer, and the category. Next, you'll be able to fill in the variant and the cost for the client or business. Finally, we're going to add this directly to a location if one does not exist, or save the material. We can add the aisle, bay, level, and bin. And to speed things up, if you're taking inventory, you'll be able to use the last position as well. We'll add the number of quantity, we'll set our mins and maxes and our critical alerts, and hit save. Now when we rescan this item, the item that we just entered is in the database, and we'll be able to take actions like updating the quantity or transferring items to locations or jobs. Similar to the web experience, the mobile applications allow you to manage your replenishment requests within Ply. Once your materials logic has been triggered, it will add those items directly to your replenishment list where you can take action. So no matter where you're at, you'll be able to submit a request to a supplier or create a transfer for those items. We're going to select a number of items here and initialize a new request. You can see the materials that we are requesting from that replenishment request are directly added to our request, and we can order them directly from the supplier.